trying to use the diameter given to determine the equation of each circle. So what is the equation of circle? It is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals to r squared, where r is the radius of a circle and h and k is the center of the circle. So you can use the midpoint formula to find the center, or for this case, you can easily find the midpoint, which will be 0, 1, because here is 0 and 2, so the middle must be 1. And the radius, again, here, you can easily count it. Here is 1 and 2, and plug into the formula. But a lot of times, they're not going to give you this easy question. Then what do? You have to use the distance formula to find the diameter and divide by 2 to find the radius. And you use the midpoint formula to find the center and put h and k into the equation. But this one, it will be x minus 0 squared plus y minus 1 h and k. This is my h and k, my center, squared equals to r squared. So when you simplify, you get x squared plus y minus 1 squared equals to 4. Let's try another one. So here, so this is harder than the first one. First, you have to find the coordinates. So it's kind of hard to see, but it's 2, 4, 6, and 8. So here I have 8, here's negative 2, negative 4, negative 6. So it's negative 6. And here I have negative 1, 2. So first, I'm going to find the center by using the midpoint formula, which is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So you add these two together. So negative 1 plus 8 divided by 2. 2 plus negative 6 divided by 2. So I get my center as negative 1 plus 8 is 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. 2 plus negative 6 is negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. Negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. So here's my h and k. Now I need my radius. So you can go ahead and plot your center in and find the negative 2, 3.5. And you can find the distance between the center to one of the endpoint, but just in case you got your center wrong, I'm going to just go ahead and use the given number. So, you know, even you get your center wrong, you can still get your radius right and get at least partial credit. So how do you find the distance of the diameter? You can use the distance formula or just use the right triangle, which is basically same thing. So if I use the distance formula, it is x1 minus x2. So it's minus 1. So I'll just plus 1 plus y2 minus y1 squared. It doesn't matter which one you subtract from. You're just looking for the difference. So then I get square root of 9 squared, which is 81, plus negative 8 squared, which is 64. So you get square root of 145, which is about square root of 145 equals to 12.04. This is the diameter. So then how do you find the radius? Radius will be half of it, which is 6.02. So now once you have your center, h and k, and the radius, you can write the equation of circle, which is x minus 3.5 squared plus hk, y minus negative 2, so it's plus 2. And y minus negative 2 is plus 2 squared equals to radius squared. So what is this divided by 2 will give you the radius, and you square it. So you get 36.25. So this is the equation of a circle. So another way to do this when they provide a graph is make a right triangle and you just find the difference of the x's, which we did here, which will be 8 minus -1, 9. And here, -2 minus 6 will give you 8. So you can also do a squared plus b squared equals to c squared or d squared, and you will get the same distance, which is 12.04.